Hello people watching Nerdiasme. I thank you. Actually, you can say Nerdiasme. Nerdiasme. This is actually a perfect item for this channel. This is completely for nerds. You can't get any more nerd than with this item. It's from Star Wars. It is a Perplexus and it's a Death Star. It's the Perplexus from the Death Star. It's made by Disney. It can contain 3 times AAA batteries, and it's probably built by Spin Masters and distributed by Disney. It's the Perplexus Death Star. It has a lightsaber leap, it has a magnet and stuff, and then you need to reach the exhaust port of the Death Star. I got this from a friend who is doing great stuff with model trains, awesome stuff. He just bought himself a 3D printer, which is awesome. And only 1 week later he upgraded it. And I saw this and I said, I need to make a movie about this. And he said, okay, just bring it back. It's laying here a while. This is his dust though. It's not only mine. It's a little bit mine maybe, but this is actually a puzzle. This is a 2D puzzle made into 3D. It's a continuous loop with numbers. There you see the 80, the 101. So it starts at 1, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So you basically need to have that ball. Where's my magnet? So here you can see the ball. You can cheat with this, of course. And now I can drop it here, but you normally start upside down. So we start here at the top at number 1, right there. And then we go to number 2. And then we go to number... Woo! We're already at number 5. Woo. I'm out of angle. It's hard to keep that in. That's number 6, and so on, so on. So now we're under here, right in that funnel. We're straight in that funnel. And now it's the 3D part of this puzzle. Now I need to go this 6. Now I need to go to 7, and 7 is gonna be under there. So I need to switch that ball really fast. And that failed, of course. But now I need to go to 7, underneath at 74, underneath that funnel. Yeah, it's hard to see. Underneath that funnel, that's gonna be 7 or 8. And then we need to go down this route, and all the way up to the exhaust. And the great thing about the Death Star is it also has sound. So I don't know how it works, but in the end, and it has lights, LEDs. There is the green, and that's the exhaust right there in the middle, and that's your finish point, right there. So you need to be able to end there. That's really hard. I don't know if the guy who is this from already reached it. And then you can turn here with this knob, the X-wing fighter. At a certain point you need to push that ball with that X-wing fighter. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's cheat. Let's go a little bit to the left. Oh, almost. It's in there. It's in there. It's really in there. It doesn't do anything special. You probably know I cheated. It was in there. And there are contact points, so it should know that it was there. But it didn't do anything special. Yeah, well, it is what it is, guys. A great item to play with, to get yourself occupied. Oh, it actually has a foot to set this on. The Death Star foot. So it's actually sitting here like so. Whoa, whoa, we have a fight going on. I don't think there is anything more nerdy than this. I'm turning it off. There is actually a key. I don't know why. It's made in China, Lucas Films. It's actually... Okay. I thank you for watching. Bye!
I had a friend, Dale Lamalino. He and I would sit there and draw mazes endlessly every day. And we came up with this interesting concept of having a maze with arrows in it. And so that meant that you could only go one direction once you passed that way. And you can get trapped rather than being able to back up and start again. I guess it was